Look at him! Your Honor!
Oh my god.
Hi all! Welcome back to Yundira the Fangirl. I know it's been a long time since I did my last manga unboxing, especially Jujutsu Kaisen, because in today's video, I will unbox Jujutsu Kaisen manga volume 17, 18, and 19. I will unbox this thing, which is it's inside of it. There's naoya zenin, there's HIGURUMA, and the other one from volume 18. I forgot who is in the cover. So who is it? Okay, I think without further ado, let's just unbox this manga, right? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video on this YouTube channel. Alright, without further ado, let's just unbox this thing. Let's just unbox this thing, okay? I don't have a cutter, so let's just open it right away because look at him, Your Honor! Or we can just simply oh yeah, and kinji hakari. Start with naoya zenin in here. See all of it. You can see my camera. And HIGURUMA. Let's start with naoya. I'm going to open it really carefully. It's not carefully. Well, he's a misogynist, so I might think that let's not open it carefully. The smell, you cannot smell it, but it smells so good. Okay, so first when you open it, you will see Gege Akutami with his punchline as if nothing happened. You can see it clearly in here. First page, we're going to open the first page. There's naoya, yuta, maki, megumi, yuji, and sukuna, of course. Then it includes chapter 143 until 152. We saw... oh, there's Choso in here. So yeah, it's the battle between naoya, yuta, Choso, and I saw itadori Jin. Let's open it real quick, bestie. I know you don't want to view this video too long, right? Okay, there's Kinjaku and Itadori with his mother. This. I thought it would be like a small panel. Volume 18. Kinji hakari. Okay, we're going to see the inside. There's another Gege Akutami with his punchline. The fever of having only 3 digits left in your account and gripping a 5,000 yen bill as you race into the store. It contains chapter 153 until chapter 161. Oh my, Your Honor, you're already here, Your Honor. Okay. Volume 18. Hands on your knee, Angelina Jolie. I don't know, that song reminds me of Higuruma though. Oh my god. Your heart to volume 19. Look at this majestic cover, okay? At first, the most majestic cover that I've known so far. Last year, it's with naoya zenin. But knowing this exists, drifting that way, different. I don't get it, Gege. Tell me. Oh my god, I'm literally sweating. I'm sweating for holding this cover. Contains chapter 162 until 171. Oh my god, this like Fangirl screech. Oh my. But if you want, I can do some kind of like a preview video for all of my manga from Jujutsu Kaisen volume 0 to 19 so far, because I haven't buy the volume 20 and volume 21, even though it's already available in the local bookstore, the local English bookstore near my city, in this hometown. Because you know what, I've been a nomad, going to my college and then here and then going to my college again. So I might think that if you really want to do like a preview video from volume 0 to volume 19, I will definitely do it without talking, of course, like showing this white table and then I open it one by one, if it's really that what you want. Alright, so I think that's all from this manga unboxing video, Jujutsu Kaisen volume 17, 18, and 19. Probably in the next video, that's not my fart, okay? I'm not farting, that's the sound of this chair because it's kind of like moving and you know. Guys, there's another information. If you are also my TikTok followers, I might kind of like change my TikTok account because I've got 3 TikTok accounts. That's for your information. The first TikTok account that I probably already shared in this YouTube channel is my MotoGP account. It's already changed into my MotoGP account. Kiwi Watermelon, it's my MotoGP account. And my anime account is like newest account of mine with the username is Start Ackerman. Yeah, you're hearing it right. It's Ackerman. It's live by Ackerman, Mikasa Ackerman, and that kind of thing. So, Start Ackerman for anime, Kiwi Watermelon for MotoGP, and then the other one is actually my private account, but I posted of my Coldplay concert because I did watch the Coldplay concert in Indonesia on November 15th last month. So yeah, if you really want to follow my anime TikTok account, it's the Start Ackerman one. Anyway, I found the panel. Pippin Choso and YUJI. Oh my gosh! This brother and sibling. Oh my. Love you all. Stay safe. Do what you want in life. Just pursue it. But don't forget to have a break. Keep on fangirling.